Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. I would like to welcome all the faculty members at Northern Border University. In this tutorial, we will understand how to share your virtual class link with your students. To do that, enter your Blackboard account. If you are an English speaker, change the interface language. Enter your credentials. If you are a faculty, then you have to enter your COM ID or the national ID without the first digit. Once you enter your Blackboard account, go to Course tab, scroll down among your courses and choose the course where you would like to make a lecture or a virtual class. I open this course, and as you all know that to create a virtual class session, or if you have got already one created, you need to go to Course Tools, go to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Once you reach this point, you will, if you have already session created, you can follow the same procedure, or you can create a new session. I'll show you from the beginning of the session how to create it and how to copy the link and share it with your students. Create a new session, type the session name. My session name would be lecture 28, for example, and my topic name, e-learning at NBO. Scroll down, schedule a session for tomorrow's date if you have the session on the next date. I'll take it to 16th of March. Then do the same thing over here, 16th of March. Make the time suitable. And that's it. You're all ready to go with the session. Now, once you write the lecture name and schedule the time for the session, you have an option called guest link. You're going to take your cursor to this icon which says copy the link. What I'll do here, I'll copy this link. It gets copied. I'll close this bar. And now the question comes, where would you put this link to? You have to share this link or put this link inside content area. You see this content area inside course menu. Once you go here, you have to make a new folder for this. Build content and content folder. Write the name of the folder as online classes. See, the reason why I gave these names, because I would like my students to understand which folder consists of what information inside it. So we have to follow a naming convention, or you could say the correct standards must be adhered. So now I have created a new folder with the name online classes. Suppose there is a situation or scenario where you have more than one faculty member sharing this course. So now if you have more than one faculty member sharing this course and every faculty is sharing his own course link, so then how you are going to organize it? It's simple. Go inside this online classes folder, create folders, multiple folders with each faculty. For example, for faculty 1, I'll create a folder with the name faculty 1 online courses. In the same way, for faculty 2, I'll go here, build content, and then come to content folder and create for him another folder, faculty 2 online courses. So in this way, for each faculty you will create one course. If I'm not sharing my course with anyone, then no need to afraid of anything, and no need to make more efforts and create more and more folders. So since in this course I'm the only faculty and no one else is sharing this course with me, so I'll delete this course. Confirm the deletion, and in the same way delete another folder. Click on the drop down menu, click on delete and confirm it, so it gets deleted. So now if you remember from the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, we have copied the link which is called a guest link. Guest is nothing but your student, and then you have come to content, and then you have created a folder with the name online classes, and then you have to go to build content and click on web link. When you click on web link, you have to write the name of your link as well as the URL. I have copied the URL from my Blackboard Collaborate session which I have just now created and paste the URL here. and give it a name, the same name which I have given to the session while creating the new session. For example, the session name was lecture 28, e-learning at NBO. So this was my session name. I simply click submit. If you see, a new globe icon appears which says that this is a web link. If I am a student, I suddenly gets notified that there is a new link added to your Blackboard course. I'll come here and click on this link. If you observe that if you remember, this link was scheduled for tomorrow's date. This link is scheduled for tomorrow's date. So it will show you a student that try joining again on March 16 at 11:29 p.m. in the night. So no worries, the student will get this information, and you don't have to think that okay, the student might not know or doesn't know what to do at this situation. It's very simple. If the student speaks Arabic and his interface is Arabic, he or she will get the message in Arabic. So this is how you're going to add your lecture. And make sure there are 2 or 3 important points. A very important point to remember. We have observed a lot of faculty members simply sharing the link through WhatsApp. So in this scenario, if you share your link through WhatsApp, maybe you will not be able to send the link to each and every student. Some of your student gets missed, and they might end up without attending your session. If you put your content or share your content inside the Blackboard course, all the students inside this course will for sure attend the lecture. Now the question comes, I have 2 or 3 sections, all of them belong to same module. I would like to share my lecture with all the students, with all the 3 section students. So what I'll do, it's very simple again. This is one section. Suppose I'll go to this Blackboard Ultra tool. I'll copy the guest link for this lecture. I've copied the guest link, close it, go to group 2 students, which is again a section 2. I'll show you. Suppose this is my section 2, just for showing you as an example. I'll go to content, build content, click on content folder, write it down online lectures, same thing, and then drag the folder to the topmost position. Open the folder, go to build content, create a web link, and write the name of the link, lecture 28 e-learning at NBO. Paste the link here, click on submit. So this is how you are going to put your lecture, or you are going to share your lecture with more than one group or with more than one section students at the same time. Till your courses gets merged, you are going to work in this direction, that share your link in each and every course. It will not take more than 3 or 4 minutes. So this is all for today's session. I hope you understood everything, and inshallah very soon we'll come up with a new tutorial. You have a great day ahead. Assalamu alaikum.